Why is somebody screaming out whore?
No, I shouldn't be doing this, but here we go again. Girl, you know that pussy is my weakness.
Today gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good ass day, okay? Nah, I'm a bird. It's cool. I woke up in a good mood. I'm feeling like a billion bucks for some reason. Like I want to pay for everybody lunch today and dinner. I'm about to pick up my friend. You know, he's a vibe. It's a vibe. Oh. Yo, I'm lost. This is a dead end. I have to make a U-turn. Okay. Oh, y'all can see my tag. I didn't pop it off because I might just return this. I'm not sure yet. Oh, this is his block. Okay. I went like 2 blocks ahead. What is he doing? He's sus right now. I still see the shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point why I love it. Oh. Hey. 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 Mia. Like that song is so dope. It just make you want to bust a wine and just drop to the floor or whatever. Mind you, I do not dance when I go out. My friends be trying it. Like they be like, dance. Everybody be just on me. Like I literally be wanting to hide when I go out because people know I don't dance, and my friends be like, dance. I'm like, let me do my 2 steps because y'all killing my vibe. Like I gotta get into it and just start, you know. And I gotta have a little bit of liquor in my system. I'm one of those. Like, I gave him like, oh, what time did I call him? Like, I've been calling him since like 9 this morning. It's now almost 2 p.m. He gave me tight. This Negro finally got in the car.
She.
Like, what was he doing?
I was getting ready. I didn't think he was gonna come so fast.
I've been waiting for like 2-3 hours. Like, what do you mean so fast?
I was listening to Smash Into You by Beyonce.
Okay with the fit. Come through.
Denim on denim.
You gotta show them the boots.
Yes. Look at these, you guys. Can we appreciate?
The cowboy Versace.
I think I'm gonna tuck them like this.
The guy behind me is so cute. And every time I look in this mirror,
I just like his car.
No, he's cute. And he's looking in the... Why you gotta turn
he's
around?
Just looking forward.
Yeah, now he's looking forward. When we were at the light, he was like
looking
looking at the... Oh, he's coming next to us, okay. Oh, he's turning anyways.
Oh.
I know he was looking.
He was not looking.
We did eye contact. No, he's still gonna be behind me. I could turn by the Olive Garden.
Yo, Olive Garden always smells really good.
It smells bad.
Like bathroom.
And I ate there the other day. It was so disgusting.
When did you eat there
full.
without me? Wow.
First of all,
who did you
we
go
always
with?
go with Natalia. What's the problem? Like, you know?
We always
somebody
go to
got pulled over. Stuffed mushrooms. We should cook one day.
We should. That'd be a fun video.
That'd be a
rice with
disaster.
stuff in it. I could learn. You should put your mom in it. She would not want to.
She wouldn't care. She'd just be like, you guys always doing some crazy stuff.
I was in the changing
nothing
room.
better to do.
And this lady, I was like, I feel like this is what Diana's mom was like her husband called her or whatever. And he was like, what are you making for dinner? She's like, it is too cold outside. She's like, if I come home, I'm going to make soup. He was like, chicken noodle soup? No, I'm going to make pea soup. If I feel like it, I get home.
Yo, that's my mom.
I was like, oh shit. It's no point for me to drink and not have it hit. Like, what am I
the first drink gotta hit. But I'm starting to stop doing that because it eventually hit. Like, if you go to the club and you get a Long Island, like,
it's not
you're gonna be in that club for like 3 hours. Number one.
But it takes literally 30 minutes to fill a drink.
Exactly. So by the time you get,
it.
No, you get one Long Island, you finish it, you don't feel it yet. 30 minutes is up and you still don't feel it. So now you decide to get another drink, and now you're over drinking yourself.
No, you're not.
No, we do it all the time, Lord. I overdrink because I go home feeling disgusting.
Oh yeah, sometimes when I get home, I'm like,
I be like, why did I do that to myself? Like my first drink was a Long Island, and then I get another one because I don't feel it yet. And I'm like, I'm not drunk. They made this drink too weak. Mind you, you just gotta give it time to kick in. So guys, we at the mall.
Well, we should apply here.
Apply
to the
where?
vape place.
To work?
I do have one and he has no one at his vape.
They got a vape place. You can buy like hookah.
It says help wanted.
I'm not working there, so I could stand there and ask people, do they want hookah all day? Yes.
Get your vapes, you guys. Get your vapes. Your vaporizers, your pens, your hookahs.
Don't be annoying.
No one wants to buy it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna just walk off like I'm on lunch.
Yeah. Be back in 15 minutes.
Oh, did we pass it? So we're going to H&M because I can't find the shoes I want. And we'll see what they have in there. I don't like my hair right now. Why is somebody screaming out whore?
I thought they said Lloyd. I was like,
I feel like I hear whore. I'm gonna go in here real quick before H&M. You ever go in a store and you expect them to be like, hi, how you doing? Because ain't nobody else in the goddamn store and they not? That's annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna get off of this because of copyright, guys. This is so cute. Rock that.
dressing up as a sex worker who chops people up.
No, you can rock this. He said a sex hooker.
Worker.
Those girls over there do not even want. They don't want customers. Like we out. I'm like, I can't find what I want. Mad loud, and they don't even give a fuck.
Why would they?
They're supposed to be like, hi, can I help you? Look for what you're looking for. Customer service is key. Like, anyways, we're at H&M now.
Because he's like, doesn't like, I don't think he likes me anyway.
No one likes you. You whore.
He likes me, but why? Like, everyone does.
I don't know why everyone hates you.
I don't know.
What you be doing to them? Because I don't hate you. I mean, I disliked you for a moment at one point in life. But I got over it. You got over it. I swear when I come into H&M, it's like just so boring. It's so boring. I'm done. The men's section is more like alive, I feel like.
Do you think I can find a shirt for $5?
I don't know. Why are you trying to change your shirt?
No, I'm just bored.
You're just bored. And you want to spend $5 on a shirt? Oh, she's so cute. Oh, would you wear these? Like, if you wear the entire, so what? If you wear the whole fit, it's a long skirt. If you wear the whole, like, everything the same, you'll look nice. Like the top the same and the bottom. Versace. Oh, where'd he go? I have this bump here. Lloyd, are you hiding? I feel like I hear his laugh. Well, I thought you was like hiding from me, and I'm like, are you hiding from me? Because I heard you laugh like over there by the counter. I know, but I felt like I heard you over there. All right, I just want to eat at this point. Oh, I like that leather skirt over there. I'm hungry, I'm starving. I feel like I haven't eaten since yesterday. What? You should have never went out last night.
I didn't go out. Like, I was outside. I didn't like go out. It was fun though.
He said he liked this. It's a watch, y'all, but like when it hits your hand, it probably hurt. It's ugly.
This looks like Jamaica.
It looked like Jamaica Avenue. It
Yes.
do look fake. You guys, look where we end up. At the liquor store. We were at the mall and the mall was so dry. Like, we couldn't find anything in that mall. Right?
It was pretty bleak. Very bleak, darling. Bleak.
We even tried to take pictures and
Actually got some good pictures, so you guys should follow me on Instagram at Lloyd Whitlock. Get your life.
we should just get like hard liquor. Like a bottle of Bacardi or something. Right? No? Like a small bottle. Because Hello, how are you?
Hello, you make a
You want to be in it? Oh, put up the stairs. Put up the stairs right now.
Thanks a lot, bro. You playing the shit out from boots, huh?
Yeah.
Where them came from? Down south or up
Yeah,
north?
they were my cousin's dads in like the 80s.
Yeah.
And we found them in the attic.
Yeah, I must say, yo, you playing them shits.
My boots. The dance I did in Valentine's that day. Remember? Remember that day?
Yeah. Yeah, you was really, you thought you was a cowboy.
I really was.
Be in it. Yeah, you do. I'm not. Why would I record you? Okay, guys, so I will be right back when we're eating because this is too much. This hood liquor store is too much. I can't. Would you turn up? Turn up, Lloyd. Hey, Millie Rock.
I did not know how to dance. I don't dance to make money moves, you guys.
Yeah. But guys, I cannot believe the guy in the liquor store.
Oh, that was crazy.
Yeah. And then we walk into the car and Lord, like, what if someone stole the car? It's just like someone don't know I'm starving.
Because she left the car running, like, outside. We were in the store for like 10
It
minutes.
was kind of like the hood, so. But, yeah. Now we're finally
Well, listen
on
to
our
the
way
song.
to get food.
King of the sound, bust a back, they just put a lock on the town. None of my be coming from miles around. See, they be coming, cause they know how to gouge it down. Now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown.
Can't really be doing this because copyright.
I asked him this last night, like, how come, like, if you're on top of a train, right, and it's moving, and you jump, the train still moves underneath you, right? Like, obviously.
Huh?
Like, if you're on top of a train, like, if I was standing on a train, and I jump, the train is still gonna be going. I'm gonna be, like, up, and I'm gonna land in a different spot, right?
Yeah.
But how come if I'm in the train,
And you jump.
you jump in
You
the
stay on
same
the
spot?
same. Because gravity, like,
It's not gravity.
yes, it is.
No.
You're inside of the train. So
But
it's gonna
does
be,
the train
but once you're
know
outside,
that I'm inside?
don't be annoyed. Once you're outside
That
of the
doesn't make
train,
any sense.
yes, it does. Because think about it. It's like you jumping in front of a moving car.
No, it's not.
And you sitting in a car. Like, if you run in front of a car, you might get hit. I don't know how to explain
That's
it, but
not the same.
it makes sense in my head, okay? It makes sense.
No, it doesn't, because the train should still be moving underneath you.
But you're not gonna move with it.
I'm not. I shouldn't
If
move
you're
with it. I
not
should jump,
in
and
it.
the train should still be like going this way, and I should be up in the air,
I'm
and I should move and come back in a different spot.
That's like the most highest question ever. Like,
It's not. That's a genuine question.
you can't see it.
Wait. Is it facing that way?
No, you gotta turn it straight.
Like this?
It's like kind of like
Bastards. This looks ugly.
that. So guys, we're at IHOP.
Choo choo.
We literally came to IHOP.
I'm like trying to think of where to put it.
No, like, y'all wanna see what I got?
Hancock.
I'm done. Right, thinking now I'm just home, guys. Like, I literally just got in and I'm just gonna turn on some Netflix and just chill. I'm just reading these letters I got in the mail. Been waiting for this one, but it's not what I really wanted. But you know what? Life still goes on and on, right? Until God says himself. You guys, thank you for watching my vlog. I'm lit right now, like, I ain't even gonna lie. But thank you. My friend is in the other room. Yeah, so I'm about to just chill and watch some Netflix. And yeah, just, you know, it's gonna get better, y'all. This vlog stuff gonna get better. So stay tuned and keep up. Laters. Okay, so I lied. I was going to just watch Netflix and go to bed. But somebody just asked me for a ride, and the kindness of my heart is like, just go give them a ride. And I'm in my mom's car right now, y'all. Her car is so dope. But yeah, I'm about to go. Guys, my head is pounding, so I'm calling it a night. I don't know how people be vlogging and driving, but my mom don't have the little equipment thing I got in my car, so I can vlog and drive. It is so freezing in New York. You guys, I hope you stay warm, or if you hot, get some cool air, okay? See you guys in my next vlog. Later.